welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, you know where I am, in front of the coffee station. You know what that means? Sipsby box. Drinking tea in front of the coffee station. Drinking tea in front of the coffee station. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're just joining us, my name's Shakima. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm a single mom of 4. Got 2 girls, 2 boys, 1 fur dog. We just inherited a grandma. We're living our very best life here in our North Carolina home. And I am going to be reviewing this month's Sipsby box. So you guys, I have had the hardest time over the past couple months with coffee. I love coffee. I'm a coffee drinker, period, the end. I do like tea though. I've been watching Downton Abbey and everybody has to have tea at Downton. So I love tea, but coffee is my favorite. But it has not been my friend as of late. I think that there is just, my body is in the need or necessary for a coffee fast. I still have not done a full 40-day coffee fast yet, but I've done them in the past. So I am going to get on that train, but I do love tea. This is my coffee station, but in this drawer here, I do have probably more teas than coffee pods. So we do like tea. Not only do I like tea, Jackson is my other tea drinker. So Jackson and I will go through teas with no problems. We actually made tea yesterday. We made a cold tea yesterday, which was really good. We had some people come over for dinner and we had cold tea. So we love tea, and I'm very excited that Sipsby has reached out to us and asked us to be a monthly reviewer for them. So we're going to jump into this month's box. This is our July box. So let's see what they sent. Jackson's like, Mom, can you just go ahead and open that box because there's some tea in there I want to drink. So Jackson is my favorite kid. He makes me laugh. He makes me happy. He enjoys his love of teas the love of tea that I have. So this is the Sipsby box. This is a monthly tea subscription. Maybe a little bit difficult to see, but every box has a made for you specifically. So they will send you a made for you and then tell you what teas you have in your box. So we have 4 different teas, and they usually send you 4 packages of 4 teas to try. These are my July teas, and there is a Revitalize tea. There is a Rose Earl Grey. Earl Grey is my favorite tea of all times. I don't care what anybody says. People are like, I don't like Earl Grey. That's your problem. Earl Grey is my favorite. I love Earl Grey and I love peppermint. Anything with a minty type flavor, I love. And then there's an organic honey vanilla. That's a morning tea. Then there's a Nepali breakfast tea. So the Revitalize is very low caffeine, which is good because I think it's the caffeine in the coffee that's bothering me. I do try to drink decaf, but sometimes it doesn't work for my life or my coupon. So the Revitalize is a very low caffeine tea. The Rose Earl Grey is a high caffeine tea, but we will not mention it. We will just drink it anyway. The organic honey vanilla morning tea, that's by Miracle Tree, and that's a caffeine-free tea. And then the Nepali breakfast is a high caffeine tea. That's by Nepal Teas. So let's jump in and see what everything looks like. These are cute this month. Look, you guys. So this is what the box looks like when you take your little tea tag out. So let's see what we have. Revitalize. Okay, the packaging is very cute. So what we know about Sipsby is that they have distributors from all over, and they put a sampling of teas in your box. This is a monthly subscription, so you can get your box every month. This is Revitalize by Puka. And I love that packaging. The packaging is always really cute. This is a burst of warm organic cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger. And I love cinnamon and cardamom. It is really it's a lovely flavor. I mean, this is very aromatic. You can smell that through the bag. Cardamom is, whew, y'all. And it has ginger in it, but I don't smell the ginger. The ginger probably gives it a little bit of spice, but I smell the cardamom. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. That's going to be a beautiful tea. It's 100% organically grown and ethnically sourced ingredients. So everything is organic. That's a beautiful tea. I'm not sure which one Jackson wanted to try, but that's lovely. All right, you guys, let's look at this Rose Earl Grey. These are rose petals. They're in the shape of rose petals. This tea is in the shape of a rose petal. It says, ditch the tea bag, pour, drop, and enjoy. I'm opening this because I want to see this. I only got 3 of these. Normally you get 4 of everything, but I got 3 of these. But I'm interested to see what this looks like. So I'm gonna open this for us. Oh yeah, I love Earl Grey. I don't really particularly care what anybody thinks. Look at that. So it's your tea shaped like a rose petal. So I'm thinking that this dissolves in your hot water or your warm water. It smells lovely. So that's what it looks like. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Oh, it doesn't want to focus so much, but there you go. And there it is on that side. So I think this is beautiful. I've only ever had loose tea leaves or tea bags. I've never had a tea dropper. And let's see. It's called myteadrop.com. So it's a tea drop. You take the tea, you drop it in your water. I'm thinking you can put this in your K-cup. Looks like you can put this in your K-cup. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that because I don't want to tell you something wrong. This does have 8 carbs and 7 sugars. This one actually has nutritional information on the back of it. Look at that. So this has 8 carbs and 7 sugars. So even though I like Earl Grey because I am doing keto, I would have to pass along this. But Jackson likes teas as well. So Jackson would drink this. And I think my daughter Shamika likes tea. So she's not keto and the furthest thing from it. So I could give her these and she would enjoy them. I also have another friend who likes tea and she will come over and have tea party with us. So I'll drink the teas that don't have the sugars already added, which would be like the Revitalize, or this Miracle Tree Morning Organic Moringa Organic Tea. That's what it is. It's a Miracle Tree, okay, let me see, Organic Honey Vanilla Moringa Tea. This is the caffeine free. So this is exactly what I would be drinking because it is caffeine free. It is USDA organic. So USDA organic, that's what this one looks like. Honey and vanilla. I'm going to open this one as well. Sniff it. Oh, that smells nice. This is a subtle tea. So this doesn't really hit you like bam. This is nice and subtle. So it's just in a regular tea bag. But lovely, lovely. I think that'll be a great cup of tea. Or as my friend from Australia says, cuppa. So Andrea, if you're watching, Shakima's gonna have a cuppa on you, honey. There we go. We talk about tea and Downton Abbey, and she's a great friend from Australia. She's been a part of our channel for a very, very long time. We do love her. Thank you so much to all of my longtime family friends. And if you're new, happy to have you. All right, the next one is the Nepal Tea. This is organic tea from the Himalayas, black tea with spices. So this is my loose leaf tea, or loose leaves. And then Sipsby always gives you in this bag some tea bags. So what you do is you put just a few little a teaspoon or so into your tea bag. You pull the bag and that becomes what goes in your cup. So you get these in every single box because in every box you're going to get a loose leaf tea. And for this box, it is the Nepal tea, which is a black tea with spices. And this is, it tells you need your water at 210 degrees Fahrenheit and steep it for 5 minutes. And then this is out of New Jersey. So this tea company is out of New Jersey. Let's see. The Puka tea comes from the UK. This tea here, the tea drops, doesn't tell me where it comes from. But this company is into recycling. It's gluten free and it's organic, no artificial flavors. So you can recycle this plastic pouch if you're into recycling. That is something that tea. And then this caffeine level is almost 3 to the third for caffeine. So there's some caffeine in this, which I would probably not have. I'd pass that along because I've been having issues. If I weren't having issues, then I would drink it with no problem. But like I said, I have friends that would love that one, and Jackson loves tea as well. And so it won't go to waste. All the other teas I think would be lovely. This one is the Nepal tea. This one also has some caffeine in it, so I might have to pass along these loose tea leaves. But again, love that. And then they also send you in the box just some information about your companies. So Sashi Chandran is the chief tea magician over at Tea Drops. So it gives you a little bit about Tea Drops. It also gives you, if you want to order specifically from their company, how you can get 15% off of your very first order. So that was neat. I've never seen a tea drop before, so that was neat. And then the organic moringa tea, they give you a little bit more information on their card about their teas as well. And they have turmeric, ginger, original, and lemon, and then the organic superfoods tea, green tea. So they have different types of teas as well. So there it is, you guys, this month's teas. I'm really excited about these little tea drops. I think that's neat. I've never seen anything like that before, but hey, listen, everybody has their creative outlets, and some people whip up spices and some people whip up stuff in the kitchen. This person or this company came up with a tea drop that you put in your water, and I think that's very neat. So interesting for us. These are going to be great teas. We're going to love these. We will leave a link down in the description box below where you can get on board and order your own Sipsby Tea monthly subscription. Please jump on board if you are wanting to try some new teas. I like subscription boxes because it gives me something different every time. It's not the same old thing. Yes, it's tea, but this month I got tea drops. I've not gotten tea drops before. This month I've gotten this one that is caffeine free, or I've gotten black tea, or these loose tea leaves are different. So I love that about subscription boxes. There's always going to be something different. So anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check the description box down below for the link to pop yourself over to Sipsby. And thank you so much for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed it. Like it, subscribe, ding the bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.